I want to shave my head. Hear me out. It's quarantine. I've got nothing better to do. And my hair grows pretty fast. And I've wanted to shave my head for a while now. So, what we're gonna do tonight at 9:32 on a Tuesday is we're gonna go in different stages. Stage 1, mullet. Stage 2, mohawk. Stage 3, bald bitch. Let's fucking go. I'm really nervous. Like I haven't had a shaved head before. I'm so nervous. I have everything all ready. I guess I just gotta give her, right? Okay, here we go. So I don't have a tripod or nothing. So we are scotch taping my phone to the mirror. This is really high tech. Quarantine really getting to me, huh? Okay. Buzz, buzz, bitch. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. So I'm gonna want to do a mullet. How do you... I don't know how to give myself a mullet.
I'm going to cut a, wait for it, mullet in my hair. As you see, I've got...
I don't like this tutorial.
Happen to be the finest hairstylist in British Columbia.
He's the finest hairstylist in British Columbia. Canadian. Alright, let's see how this man does it.
There's one haircut in particular.
Oh, hang on. One sec. Okay, now I'm ready.
It's been a while, and I grew my locks out, and my barber, adventurer Nate, recognized the potential that was sitting there, glistening in the sun off my shoulders, and he sat me down and he said, I think we can do great things with that.
You can't argue. It's the most versatile, dynamic hairdo that you can have. I mean, you can dress it up if you want to, let your hair down and really go for it one evening. No problem.
Alright, I'm just gonna guess because this tutorial is not helpful. Sorry, Captain Quinn with 47.6k subscribers. Your tutorial is not a tutorial. It's just a video. Like this one. I knocked my glasses off with my hat. I'm stalling. That's the thing. Okay. I gotta Snapchat my friends. Ooh, okay. I'm shaving my head. 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 So I want it short in the front and long in the back, right? We're doing a mullet. We're doing a mullet. I'm gonna shave my head and it's gonna be okay. Don't back out on this. It's just hair. It's just hair. Oh my god, oh my god. I got a Snapchat. What's he saying? Fucking do it, bitch, no balls. Okay, now I gotta do it. I gotta fucking do it. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh really? No balls, huh? No balls? Oh my god. I'm kicking my cat. This is a look. Okay, I'm kicking my cat out because I don't want. He likes eating hair. Like I'm already done for. So I think it's just that first. I'm just gonna let it fall. I don't really know what I'm doing. I kind of want to shave the sides here because it's a mullet, right? Oh my god. Maybe I should get someone else to do this for me. The thing is, I don't know what I'm doing. Snip, snip, bitch. Oh, I'm giving myself a bowl cut. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. Now this is, something else. This really, really is. Okay, I'm gonna turn the fan on. Cause, hair do be going everywhere. The thing is, I'm going bald, so this doesn't matter. So I'm not really trying. So it looks like that. Okay. And I don't have another mirror, so I can't really see what's going on. But that's okay. Oh my god. This is I cut too short. I can't have a mullet. I cut too short. Oh, I fucked up. I fucked up. I can't even do a mullet. I'm just kind of attacking my hair right now because oh my god, it's so short. That's kind of sick though. If I like actually did this correctly. Oh my god, guys, oh my god. I am literally shaving my head right now. So you know, like midlife crisis? I feel like this is just quarantine crisis. The thing is, I'm really blind. So like, this is hard to... Oh, you better not die on me now, honey. Oh, sweetheart. I literally can't see what the side of my head looks like. Oh my god. What even is this? What even is... Okay. Gotta get up my hair off my Kenny G t-shirt. Okay, I cannot see what I look like from the side. Oh my god, that's so bad. Okay. That's so bad. That's so bad. Wow. I forgot how much I look like a little boy. This is like a bowl cut and a half, dude. Oh my. Oh, I almost cut my fingers off. Now the bangs, I feel like, gotta be shorter. See, the thing about mullets, they don't look nice and clean, so it's okay that I'm really botching this. If a hairdresser ever sees oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? I wanted it much longer than this. Oh my god. I can't even make it look okay. Okay. We doing mohawk now because that was I fucked up too much. Get myself up. Oh, I'm sweating profusely. I am sweating. Jesus Christ. It feels so weird. It feels so weird. What if I have an ugly head? Oh my god. Y'all. That's a look. I really do look like a boy. I forgot how much I look like a boy. Okay, now I gotta... This is disturbingly ugly. This is, wow. My head. God, oh, my head is so ugly. My head is so ugly. Alright, mohawk time. Okay, you know, first... I look like such an SJW. Like, wow. Even more than I already did. Okay, if I actually did this right, okay, when I grow my hair out, I'm growing it out to be a mullet. I can't believe I actually did this. Like, I legit can't believe I actually did this. Okay, I should have wet my hair. That would have made this easier, but this was such an impulse thing. Cause like, I didn't expect to be spending my Tuesday night doing this. Maybe I should have got someone to help me. It looks like, oh my god, it looks like a meatloaf on my head. Y'all. Ooh wee mama. Ooh doggy. I want to spike it up. I want to spike it up. I made the front way too short. Like, you want to know the really sad thing? I kind of tried to make it look good. I'm gonna show my mom this. And she's gonna be like, Allie, why are you swearing so much? I moved out, okay? And you don't expect me to be like this, Mom? I know I'm using this razor all wrong, but this is the one I use on my cat's ass, so I got a really lopsided mohawk going on. It's 10 o'clock. Do you like my mohawk? See, what is it? I bet you it looks fucked. Like, straight fucked from the back. Alright, let me get my mirror I got from Valley Village. To see what the... You see, I would have done this in the bathroom and not in my bedroom, but there's 5 people in this house and 1 bathroom. Can we fix this? Yes, we can. No, we can't. No, we can't. There's no fixing this. There's no fixing this. Who am I kidding? It doesn't look like a mohawk. This is really freeing though. Let's be honest. See, my friend wouldn't let me shave his head, so I shaved my own. I'm gonna be wearing a lot of hats. I just swept and mopped. That's really nice. That feels so cool. Getting your bald head sprayed with a spray bottle full of distilled water because your plants are picky bitches and the water at your house is too hard. Y'all. This is the worst mohawk that's ever existed. Yee doggy. I can't see. My head is so ugly. I need the brim. Housekeeping. It's kind of everywhere. This has been the most exhilarating day of my past 3 months of life. Hi, I'm clinically insane. I miss my hair. No, no cats. What did I say? What did I say? Exactly. No cats. Here you go.
Thanks. Do you want to sit? Do you want to?
Oh yeah, sitting. That's the thing that makes your life a little easier because I'm quite tall.
Okay.
This can go up too. Look at that.
Wow, wow, wow.
Just get the bottom of my head here.
Wow. Yours is so much different than mine.
Okay, you ready? Mm-hmm.
There's literally one long hair. It looks like a really weird ear hair. It's like.
I wonder what my mom's gonna think. I didn't say it.
Did you said nothing?
No. I'm just gonna edit this video and then send it to her.
Okay, I think you're good.
Hell yeah!
I think you're good.
I'm bald, bitch.
You're bald, my guy.
Bald. I'm bald.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna shower
God.
because I'm so itchy.
Yeah.
So itchy.
Yeah. And your hair is gonna grow back really soft because it won't be damaged. It
Yeah.
will be like a rebirth.
A rebirth.
A rebirth.
In this quarantine time. I'm not gonna be able to stop touching it.
I know, you're like the little peach, the little fuzzy peach.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now I gotta clean all this up.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
I'm fucking bald. I'm fucking bald. Obviously, when you go bald, you have to give your head a couple smacks. I wish I had my friends here because I would give them the gift of smacking this here bald head. Oh, wow. That's some good shit. Good shit. That actually really hurts. Okay. Thank you for this opportunity of self-discovery. Thank you for joining me in my crisis. I'm probably going to cry in the shower because I will miss my hair. Have a good one.